For the fifth slide, you need to just write your name and class. So go to the taskbar again. I'm going to choose this one again, title and body. Get rid of this top box again. So click on it and hit the delete button. Then I'm going to type my name. In 5RW. I'm going to make it bigger. And I am going to change the font. I want to center it. So, nope, this one, align. I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my box. And that is how you do it.